Hello everyone, welcome to the past paper discussion. In this particular video, we're going to solve a trigonometric function based question. We are at question number 6 of the series. So let's get into it. Here we can see a picture, right? A cat is running inside a exercise wheel. So a cat is running inside a circular exercise wheel and circular function. It can be modeled with a circular function which is provided by the general form. H of t is a sine bt plus c. So this is the equation have given. And what is t here? It is time in seconds. A, B, C are positive real numbers. That is the one important clue. And height, h means it is basically height of the function is getting modeled of a fixed point p. So how they mean means if your point p is here at time t, like at 10th second, if it is here, so the height of the point maybe from the base, right? So that is this height will be the output of this sinusoidal function, right? So yeah, the point will move and eventually we will get a sine graph when we plot it. Now, getting into the first part, very simple. When t is 0, p is at a height of 78 centimeter. Write down the value of c. So initial condition is given. So h of 0 is 78. That's simple and we have to solve for it. So h of 0 equal a sine, wherever t comes, replace it with 0 first, plus c. And h of 0 is nothing but 78. They have given. Equal a sine 0 plus c. What is sine 0? It is 0. So it will get vanished and we got c equal to 78. That's simple. The first part is. Now, another condition. When t is equal to 4, the point P reaches at its maximum height, which is 143 centimeter. In this case, using this, we have to find the value of a and b. Right? Now our function get quite updated. H of t is, I don't know, a, sine, I don't know, b. So bt plus, but I know the c, right? Which is 78. Now we are going to use this from now on. Find a and b. So let's go with the equation. Like the description says h of 4 is 143 and that is the maximum height also, right? Let's see how to use it to find a and b. Moving forward. So h of 4 equal a sine, we will substitute 4 here, so which is 4b plus 78. H of 4 is 143 equal a sine 4b plus 78. Now, it is also a maximum, right? So if the entire height should be maximum and 78 is positive, this also have to be the maximum, right? Then only it can, the output can be the maximum possible. So maximum of sine 4b, what is sine b? Maximum of sine b is 1 and maximum of sine 4b is also 1, right? We are not doing anything vertically. So that is also 1. So what is maximum of a times sine 4b? That is 1 times a. Because a is positive, right? That's why. So a it is. And that's it. So if you maximize the first term, the maximum possible is a. A plus 78 is 143. And from this, we got our a value. So a is 143 minus 78, which will give us like 65. Great. So we got the second unknown also. A is 65. Now the equation got little updated. My function model, right? H of t equal to a. And now on it's 65. Sine 4b, we don't know. Actually, it's not 4b. It is a particular case. bt plus 78. Okay, only b is missing. Let's see how to find b. Again, let me redo the same. T is equal to 4 and the h of 4 is 143 case here. Let's see what happens. So 143 equals 65 times sine, I don't know b, but I know t, it is 4. Sine 4b plus 78. Yeah, this is a equation in just one variable. So we can go with the numerical solve and solve this using the scientific calculator, right? And moving into the calculator page, simultaneously you can also solve here. Okay, so go to the normal calculating page and menu, algebra, numerical solve, start giving the equation. So 143 equals 65 times sine. They have given like BT, right? Sine 4B, 4B, and then plus 78. That's it. And I am solving for B here. And just click enter. We got 0.39269. Okay, what kind of angle it is? It is like, it is in radian form. So B is this, or you can convert into degree also. Okay, so this is radian form. I have changed the mode to degree now. Let's see how it will work. So 22.5. So any answer is acceptable. Now let's move into the next part. Moving to the solution page. Here. So what did we got for B? B is 22.5. We got 0.39 something we got. So 22.5 or 0.393. This is in degrees. And this radian form, the another way is 22.5 means half of 45, which is pi by 8. I will say that is good. So my h of t is complete now. H of t is A65 sine bt. Okay, we got our b, right? I forgot it. So pi by 8t plus 78. Now, whatever the input, our function is complete. We can just solve for the output here. Right? And next one. In this case, write down the minimum height of point P. Okay, maximum is 143. What is minimum? So we have our h of t, right? Which is 65 sine pi by 8t plus 78. Okay, this is this value which is multiplied outside. The modulus of that value is nothing but amplitude. And amplitude is nothing but maximum minus minimum by 2. Right? So let's go ahead with that. Okay, I know amplitude is 65. I know maximum is 143 in the question. We are solving it, right? And minimum, I don't know. Let it be small m by 2. You can go with calculator solving. It's very simple. But yeah, let me just guide you quickly using this. Right. So go for end solve. And we got 143 equal a fraction. 65 equals actually. Amplitude is 65 equal 143 minus some minimum value, we don't know it, divided by 2. Okay, and we are solving for yeah. That's it. And hit the enter over there. We got 13. Right? And moving to the solution page now. So we got m is equal to 13. So minimum value is 13. That is height. So minimum height the point can attain is 13 centimeters. Right? And next, there is a different scenario before solving this D question. Let's go through that. Okay, what they are conveying in this description. Later, the cat is tired and it takes twice as long for a point P to complete one revolution at a new constant rate. Okay, to complete one revolution, it takes twice the time as it's doing before. In this new case, what is the value of B, right? And so they mean like if the one complete resolution is attained at 20 seconds, means now it's take 40 seconds. So this kind of thing will affect in some kind of horizontal stretch. So yes, of course, the B value will get affected. Now, H of T, what is the equation? First, like the original one, 65 sine pi by 8 T plus 78. That is the old one. Now, new one, the B value will get affected. So, twice the period means to find the new B value, I will divide it by 2. Okay, so it will be 65 sine pi by 8 divided by 2 is pi by 16 T plus 78. Okay, horizontally it's always reverse. So don't multiply 2 times pi by 8 and it is pi by 4. This is the most common mistake. So we are doing horizontal. Horizontal is reverse, right? And in that way it is pi by 16. So the new value of B is B new is pi by 16. And that's it. So you can note one thing here. As B increases, the graph will quickly attain the maximum or minimum. Graph quickly complete one revolution. And when B decreases, it will take a long, right? So my B is getting reduced, 22.5 and divided by 2. So B got reduced. So B decreases, graph take a long time, right? So that's simple. This question, it carries 6 marks, and practicing these kind of question will just make your concept and problem solving skills stronger. So stay tuned for the next video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much for listening. Keep learning.